Hey everyone, it's Ryan Cote and Matt Cote from Ballantine here with another Marketing Minute for you. My tip today is going to be on Google, search engine optimization specifically. So with Google, speed of your website is very important now. It's a strong ranking factor. And so one thing you can get for your website is to make sure that your Google page speed is as fast as possible. And so if you Google Page Speed Insights, there's a free tool that you can plug your website into, and it scores your mobile speed and your desktop speed, and then it gives you recommendations on how to improve the scores. And when you do that, we typically see an improvement in rankings. So that's my tip.
All right, my tip today is about using a custom envelope. So one of the biggest problems about direct mail is getting the consumer into the package. It's what every creative person or designer wants to solve. And one of the ways you can do that is, we've done this for Weekly Standard, we just did it for American Diabetes Association, but you want to sort of show what's in the package without actually opening the package. So Weekly Standard uses a wraparound window, or they have used a wraparound window. So you can see the address block will show through here, and then you can have any sort of marketing message show through the back of the envelope. And it's typically, it's obviously printed on one of the inserts on the inside. So it kind of gives a sneak peek into what's inside the package and piques the interest of the consumer to want to open it up. So that's my tip for the week.
Great. So that's it for today's video. If you have any tips or industry updates you want us to cover, please contact us. Thanks for watching.